Hey Russell fam, today I am going to give you a flip through of Bailey's 5th grade Growing with Grammar. Be back in just a second. Alright, with the 5th grade curriculum, you will get the student manual. Sorry for the glare. We'll flip through that in just a second. And then you will get the student workbook. You will get the Growing with Grammar answer key. You will get the Growing with Grammar tests. And also the answer key for all the tests. It does not come with holes in it. I punch holes in it so I can put it in the grammar notebook and keep up with it. Here in the state of Mississippi, we are not required to do any kind of notebooking, but I choose to do it just to keep up with everything that Bailey has done in case in the future I ever have to show anything. So let's get started flipping through the student manual. There is, you can check them out at growingwithgrammar.com. This is our second year to use this curriculum. I love it. One of my homeschool moms suggested it because I wanted Bailey to learn diagramming and get further into grammar than he was actually getting. So I've added this along with our other My Father's World language. So you have each chapter. Chapter 1 is growing with sentences. Chapter 2 is growing with nouns. And then you have each lesson down here. Chapter 3 is growing with verbs. Chapter 4 is growing with pronouns. Chapter 5 is growing with adjectives. Chapter 6 is growing with adverbs. And Chapter 7 is growing with prepositions. Okay, so this is Chapter 1, Lesson 1, and it's completing sentences, or complete sentences, I'm sorry. And so after you read this lesson 1, this is all of lesson 1, and then it starts with lesson 2. So after you finish lesson 1, you come over here to the workbook, and we flip open to that, and it tells you how to use the student book. And then this goes along right with the student book. So this is worksheet 1-1 that goes along with our lesson 1-1. And then here is all of lesson 1. Typically, the lessons are 2 pages, front and back. And then you have your answer key, which is right here, in case you need some help too. Then it tells you that it goes along with worksheet 1-1, and there's part A, part B, and part C. So that's all of worksheet 1-1. And then over here on the tests, let's move it a little closer. There's our Growing with Grammar tests. And up here, test 1, it tells you to use after lesson 1.7. So the tests are usually 3 pages, front and back. And then the 3rd page is over here, and then it has the definitions. And so that's all of test 1. And then there again it tells you test 2 to use as your chapter review. So pretty much there are 2 tests to each chapter that we do. And then it tells you how to grade. So if they missed one, that's their grade. They get a 97%, and there's 35 points they can get on test 1. And then here are the answers for test 1, part A, part B, part C, D, and E, F, G, and then H, I, and J, and there's your definitions. And then you come down here to test 2. So that is our flip through with our Growing with Grammar. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. Like I said, this is our second year doing Growing with Grammar, and I have enjoyed Growing with Grammar Level 4. It really gets in depth, and so we've decided to do Growing with Grammar Level 5 this year. If you are new to our channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And we will be doing more homeschool curriculum videos coming soon. Bye!